Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. John Belkowitz here, Intelligent Concrete. Hope you're having as awesome of a morning as I am. I'm here in Austin, Texas. About 45 minutes until the cab comes and picks me up. Can't wait to head on home, and it's a pretty early morning here, and I'm trying to make do with the stuff that I've got to get you some content, and I just could not wait till I got home. I've been out here for a couple days working with a company called Icon. They're a 3D printing concrete company and one of the best out there. I mean, there's a lot of 3D printing companies out there, a lot of universities trying to break the bonds of what we could do with this stuff. But I was just at one of their events this past week where they were unveiling a 3D printed home that they built for a company called, or an organization called, Community First. And Community First mission is to give folks who need that helping hand, whether they're just getting out of prison, or they're addicts, or homeless, but giving them that step, that training, that community to help rebuild their life. And it really was, it was pretty awesome. And this goes back to, a question that Haley asked me a month or so ago. Excuse me, which is, why do I love what I do? And I think the way she worded it was, how do I, keep finding my love for concrete? And I do love concrete. I don't understand why I love it. I don't understand why I'm good at it, but it really is one of my most favorite things in the world. That being said, it's hard to put into words how awesome Whitney and I, or the amount of energy that Whitney and I put into building this company, and it's even harder to put into words how grateful we are to our clients. They're the ones who make this job so easy. And what I mean by that is, I'm just working with a construction material. I mean, we are the best in the business, but it is concrete. And without the people that we work with, who are trying to save the world with all the concrete in it, a company like Icon is trying to end homelessness with 3D printed concrete homes. That's what makes this job so awesome. Working with people like that, working with companies like that, that's what makes it easy. That's what makes the love for this, not just the construction material, but our industry. Not only do we get to work with people like that, but there are folks throughout the industry, whether they're contractors or startups or larger companies, who are really looking to change the world, bring in new and emerging technologies to reduce cement consumption, to reduce that CO2 footprint that, concrete just can't get past. To get Portland cement, we have to take calcium carbonate and heat it until it liberates a CO2, and we're left with the calcium oxide, which is that hydraulic component in cement. And being part of missions and visions and projects that allow us to keep the demand of construction going while making the world a better place is it's just an awesome feeling. So yeah, that's why that's why I love what I do. So thank you to everybody out there who we work with, and the folks that we're going to work with in the future, for making all this possible. And we're excited to work with you. We're privileged to work with you. So have a great day. And don't forget, go concrete, beat asphalt.